Ready to ditch the booking chaos and streamline your mini sessions? Let's get your Honeybook system humming. First, log into your Honeybook account, navigate to Tools, and then click on Forms. Here's where the magic begins. You'll need to create a new form, so click the big, inviting Create New button, select Contact Form. Now, we need to build your contact form. Don't worry, we'll make this specific to your mini sessions. Rename the file as Mini Session Booking Form or your preferred title. On the right side, you'll see options to add different fields. Drag and drop fields for essential info: client name, email address, phone number. Next, add a question field and type something like, "Please choose your mini session time slot." This allows clients to select from a choice of available options. If you want to gather information about the client before the session, you can add a question section for what are your main goals for this session. A date field is crucial. This sets the session date. Click on Date in the right side of the options and drag into the form. This is where your client will schedule their date. Finally, customize the form using the Settings panel on the left to match your brand and save that form. Now click the Save button. That's it. Your mini session booking form is ready. You can now integrate this form into a workflow. Click the 3 vertical dots to view or edit your form, download your form, or create a direct link to it. Then, it can be embedded on your website, shared via social media, or added to any client communication. Enjoy the streamlined, stress-free booking experience.